Okay, hi teacher, my name is Edgar Ramirez, English 4, this is my video for performance, teacher Nadia Halso. Okay, let's start. Unit 11, Getting Away. This unit is for book 1B. Let's go. Objectives. Lesson A, Objectives, verbs to be. Lesson B, Reading to good news, reading to bad news. Lesson C, Vacation activities, simple past WH question. Lesson D, Rolling travel tales, writing a postcard. Grammar. The verb to be is sometimes called in English linking verb. That is, copular verb which essentially serves to unite the subject. Ok, esta parte la puedo explicar en español. En esta unidad vamos a ver cómo se usa el pasado simple del verbo to be y pues sirve para hablar de situaciones que ya quedan en el pasado. Por ejemplo, ayer estaba en casa de mi abuela. Yesterday I was my mother's house. Y aquí nos dice las reglas gramaticales. Subject plus was or were plus adjective plus to plus infinitive. Vocabulary. Affirmative. There was plus singular noun. There were plus plural noun. Negative. There wasn't plus singular noun. There wasn't plus plural noun. Interrogative. Was there a or any plus singular noun and question mark. Were there any plus plural noun and interrogative mark. Question mark, sorry. Sentences. 5 affirmative, 5 negative. The party was amazing. We were having dinner at 8 p.m. Their house was enormous. It was great to visit the art gallery. It was exciting to go to roller coaster ride. Negative. I wasn't at the party yesterday. I was not windy. You weren't our landlords. We weren't watching TV. She wasn't cooking food. WH questions. How much was the pizza? It was 18. Where were you last week? I was vacation. Why was nobody at the class? The class was cancelled. Yes or no questions. What is your birthday on Sunday? Yes, it was. Were you sad yesterday? Yes, I was. Unit 12. Time to celebrate. Lesson A. Months and dates. Be going to, yes or no questions. Lesson B. Declinate an invitation. Lesson C. Party checklist. WH question with be going to object pronouns. Lesson D. Reading birthday traditions. Writing a thanks you note. Grammar. Be going to. In English, we can use be going to convey an idea of future. Although there are many ways to express idea in future in English. Ok, mi parte en español. Bueno, el going to se refiere a situaciones o planes a futuro que ya los tenemos como que bien planeados y lo podemos usar en sus diferentes formas. Negativo, afirmativo o question mark. Vocabulary and examples. Subject plus be going to. Affirmative. I'm going to. She's going to. They're going to. Negative. I'm going to. She's not going to. We're not going to. Interrogative. I am going to. Are you going to? Is it going to? Plus infinitive. Go to the beach this weekend. Have spaghetti for dinner tonight. Okay. Sentences. Same. 5 affirmative, 5 negative. Affirmative. When I'm older, I am going to be astronaut. Next week I'm going to sleep uni really late. If she's not careful, she's going to knock that glass over. Tonight I'm going to have dinner with Tom. She's going to cinema on Friday. Negative. I am not going to study law in the university. We are not going to spend all day together. It's not going to rain this Friday. She isn't going to visit you tomorrow. We're not going to stay home tonight. WS questions. What are we going to bring? We are bringing a cake. When is going to arrive? She will arrive at 6 a.m. Who is going to come today? Luke and Lisa. Yes or no questions. Are they going to help you? Yes, they are coming. Are you going to buy a new car? Yes, next week. Okay. Unit 1 for book 2B. My interest. Lesson A. Interest. Present of B. Lesson B. Asking for a repetition. Asking someone to speak more slowly. Lesson C. Sport and exercise. Simple present. Lesson D. Reading what your hobby. Written and interest. Present of B. The present of the verb tense in English is correct use the verb imperfect because it's used for multiple situations, which you can feel a little below. An additional in this article you will know its main uses. Mi parte en español. Bueno, pues esto se va a utilizar para conectar situaciones, sustantivos o comportamientos. Sentences. Affirmative. It's a beautiful day. I am from Italy. Jennifer is my sister. The television snow is interesting. Our house is in the countryside. Negative. I am not a student. You are not a doctor. She is not a teacher. I do not eat a lot of fruits. You can not jump between trees. W questions. How are you? I am doing well. Where are you doing? I'm going home. Who is she? She's my sister. Yes or no questions. May he help you tomorrow? Yes. Is she in the office? No, she went out. Unit 2. Time to celebrate. Lesson A. Personality objectives. Lesson B. Singing you think something is true. Singing you think something isn't true. Lesson C. Appearance. What look like. Order of adjectives. Lesson D. Reading online profiles. Reading has good. Grammar. What are you like? Will you use what is like to ask a description of someone or something, appearance, the correct, or virtue? Ok. Esto lo podemos usar para describir a alguien por su apariencia, carácter o comportamiento. Bastante sencillo. Sentences. How you moral these days? Oh, she's fine, thanks. Who are the walls in the chicken? Well, they need recording, really. How's your new car? Wonderful. It's so much easier to drive than the old one. What's your new house like? It's a modern one. Will it be with night garden? What's your new teacher like? She's nice. She's very good looking, but she's quite strict. What look like? What do you look like? I am tall and sneaky. What does she look like? She's short and has long hair. What do they look like? They all have a gray hoodie. What does it look like? It's a purple and a snake. What does he look like? He is bald and fat. Y pues ya maestra, estas son las biografías. Thanks for your time. See you.